Good morning. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison between the New Balance 480 lifestyle shoe versus the 480 numeric skate shoe. All right, let's jump into this video. So I've been skating these ones for about a month, almost 2 months now. I don't know exactly how long. You can see there's a little bit of wear on this front foot as I skate regular. It's torn open this area pretty badly. Tongue's getting a little bit worn. There's a little separation in the stitching right there. Overall, it's been a pretty good skate shoe. They're comfortable. I like the way they feel. I like the way they fit. These are both a size 12. The numeric is maybe about a little smaller than 1/4 of an inch longer than the lifestyle. And I think that's because of the insoles they have inside of these shoes, which is one of the main differences I've noticed between the two. These are the regular foam inserts that they have inside of these lifestyle 480s, where you have these nice thick gel inserts. So that's the only reason I see that they made it just a tad bit longer, maybe because this is raising your foot up a little bit higher. They wanted to create a little bit more room in that toe box. This is a lot wider of a toe box shoe than some of the other New Balance numeric skate shoes, as well as, just your standard Vans shoes. So another big difference between these shoes, you'll notice that these have leather on the tongue, leather on the toe, leather on the sides. These are going to be suede all the way around. I was hoping for a little bit more padding in the ankle box over here in the heel box. But honestly, after about an hour of wearing these, one on each foot last night, just walking around the house and really feeling these, if they put more padding in this, it's the most minuscule amount. As well as the tongue here. I thought the tongue was going to be a little more padded like a traditional skate shoe. If they did put more padding, like I said, it's not much. They feel just about the same. Same design. It's essentially the same shoe. I did notice on the material, this suede on the side does feel a little bit thicker, so maybe this is a little thicker piece right here to protect against stuff like this. I'm excited to see if that actually holds up. So the stitch line right here across the heel box, this one's not very prominent. It's kind of just tucked in between the two materials, whereas this one, there's a nice little lip on there. So once again, as far as the rigidity of these shoes, if they're going to last a while, if they're going to hold up to the grip tape, I'm excited to see that. The price difference, I think I paid about $65 and some change at Journeys for these. Ordered these on Zappos, $100 and some change after taxes, free shipping. So for the price difference, you're getting a better insole, slightly different material, different color options. It's a little thicker here. And then on the bottom, you'll see this is the Lifestyle series. It's just rubber right there in the middle, whereas this one has this foam fuel cell. I don't know if that's going to really help as far as the flexing or if it's going to absorb much more impact, but those are essentially the differences in these shoes. My New Balance numeric 480s did come with a spare set of shoestrings, so that's nice. These ones did not come with extras, but essentially it's the same shoe, like I said. I've been skating this one for probably a little under 2 months. Quite a few skate sessions that I've gotten in them, a couple hours here and there, and they're getting pretty torn up. These ones I've only worn around the house just since I got them in the mail last night. I will be skating them this weekend to compare them. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a comment. If this helped you choose between if you want to purchase either one of these shoes, then leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope y'all tune in for the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video comparison on the New Balance 480 numeric versus the lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment. if it did help you choose between purchasing either one of these shoes. If y'all have any video ideas or anything you'd like to see me talk about or do on these videos, then go ahead and leave a comment. I'd appreciate it if you subscribed if you like what you see. Thanks for watching, and hope to see y'all next time.